In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Admin Console. By the end, you'll feel comfortable navigating the key areas you need to run and secure your organization's Google Workspace. Make sure you're signed in with an administrator account before you start. First, open the Google Admin Console in your browser and sign in. This is your control center. From here, click Dashboard to see an at-a-glance view of your environment. It's a great place to spot what may need attention and to quickly jump into the right section. Next, head into Directory, then open Users. This is where you add, suspend, or manage user accounts and organizational units. If you manage a large team, use filters in the search bar to find people fast. Small tip. Making consistent naming conventions now saves a lot of time later. Move on to Devices and select Overview. Here you'll review enrolled devices across platforms, enforce policies, and check compliance. If you're just getting started, confirm that the device inventory looks accurate and that enrollment settings align with your security standards. Now open Apps, then Overview to see all services available to your users. From there, go to Generative AI and choose the Gemini app. This is where you manage access to Gemini features for different groups. Ensure the right licenses and service settings are applied to the correct organizational units, and communicate changes to your users so they know what to expect. Navigate to Security, then Overview. Use this area to review core controls like password policies and two-step verification requirements. Even small adjustments here can significantly reduce risk, so it's worth a regular check-in. Go to Data, then Overview to confirm how information is handled across services. This is helpful for governance, retention, and compliance reviews. Next, open Reporting to access usage trends and audit logs. These reports help you understand adoption, spot anomalies, and justify license allocation. Head to Billing, then open your subscription. Verify that your plan and license counts match your current needs. Keeping this tidy prevents service gaps and surprise overages as your team changes. Open Account and then Account Settings to review your organization profile, contact details, and regional preferences. Accurate settings here ensure notifications reach the right people and that services behave as expected. Finally, go to Rules. This is where you can automate monitoring and responses, such as sending alerts for suspicious activity. Start with built-in templates, then refine as your policies mature. That's the tour. Use the search bar at the top anytime you're unsure where a setting lives, and remember that some changes can take a little time to propagate. Thanks for watching, and happy administering.